Hello and welcome to the daily poetry reading with me. My name is Ambica and the poem I'm going to be reading out to you today is called The Right Love. Yep, The Right Love. So here it goes. And the sunshine embraced the whole sky, warming up parts that had been cold and grey for a while. Let me repeat that poem again for you. And the sunshine embraced the whole sky, warming up parts that had been cold and grey for a while. That's the right kind of love. So when you feel like you're feeling emotions that are making you feel upbeat, you're feeling good, you're feeling content, you're feeling things which probably for a while you did not feel, the right kind of emotions, then you know if that person is making you feel all those things, then it's the right kind of love. Because when we stand outside, maybe I have a balcony, but if you have some place else to stand, maybe from your garden, maybe from somewhere else, when you're standing and you're looking at the sunrise, it slowly rises, and nature tells us the sun is going to spread its rays and it's going to spread its warm sunlight across all those grey clouds and just warm up every part of the sky. That's the real beauty of love. It'll make you feel emotions, the right kind of emotions that you never felt before. It'll make you feel like you've never felt, probably in years, probably in months, probably in days. But that's the power of the right kind of love. So spread the right kind of love is the emotion or the message that I'm going to leave you with today. I hope you have a really nice day. I hope you spread smiles. I hope you spread the right kind of love and fill up people's lives with hope. Have a lovely, lovely day. I will be coming back with another poetry reading tomorrow. Bye. Take care.